ground shake.
Alright, so that's his first time driving my Beamer.
And his last.
And let's see.
Need for Speed.
Need for Speed, yeah, exactly, you say it. Just be slow on the bumpers. Just be slow on the bumpers because they're over here a little bit rough. So he's all excited, you can see on his face. You know what they say? You can pretend something else, but your face is always
everything.
Always gonna say the truth. Because only if you have like a poker face, a good poker face, and you can pretend something else, but that doesn't really happen to me.
Where's the sport button?
Okay, so first of all, you need to press over here, and then if you want even more sport, so that thing changes. Oh, I put the selfie thing on. And then if you want even more, now you have also everything in sport. You're gonna take a left over here.
Over here?
Yeah. So the most power, whoa. The most power you usually feel after. Huh?
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Everything is nice and clean now. Now Sam is ready to test the car.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to
it. Not to shave you. And those people behind us, they're just watching us.